Hi guys. Today on Fuji Japan Travel Channel, we are exploring the culinary landscape of Marunouchi, Tokyo's bustling hub of business and commerce. This vibrant district, centered around Tokyo Station, offers a unique blend of dining experiences that caters to the discerning palates of its busy professionals. Get ready to join us on a lunchtime adventure through the sophisticated flavors of Marunouchi's best eateries. Let's dive in. First of all, you need to eat some delicious lunch if you come to Marunouchi. ADRIFT by David Myers, an exceptional dining experience nestled amidst the upscale boutique shops like Pierre Hermé and Diptyque along Marunouchi's bustling street. This restaurant, operating from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. for lunch and 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. for dinner, offers a modern Spanish cuisine in a chic environment filled with a vibrant atmosphere of lush green accents against warm wood tones. Its entrance, adorned with a seasonal special flower arch, becomes the landmark of the restaurant. The restaurant sits unassumingly in the heart of Marunouchi, an area known for its iconic red brick Tokyo Station and the prominent Marunouchi building. It's a delightful spot for wanderers, with an array of attractions that make even the simple act of strolling through the city a joy. Step inside to find a spacious and bright interior, flooded with natural sunlight, where large, stylish lighting fixtures command your attention. Around 2 p.m., you'll find a few patrons enjoying the cafe-like atmosphere. However, if you want to go there even before lunchtime, I highly recommend making a reservation even on weekdays. On this visit, we opted for the grilled salad priced at 1,500 yen, a feast of colorful veggies, chicken, and bread that left us fully satisfied. Besides that, you can even order French toast for 1,500 or scones for 700 yen etc. With its stylish Marunouchi location and welcoming atmosphere, this restaurant presents itself as the ideal destination for a romantic date or girls' night. And if you're blessed with a sunny day, take advantage of their outdoor terrace seating for an even more memorable dining experience. Nestled in the lively Marunouchi Eiraku building, directly linked to Otemachi Station, is Dining Samushin. This modern pub-like venue, opened in March 2023, boasts a blend of new Japanese pub and Chinese-style decor, giving it a fresh, playful ambiance. It operates from 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. for lunch, and 5:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. for dinner, excluding Sundays. Upon my weekday visit at 11:30 a.m., I found it already bustling. However, as a solo guest, I secured a spot at the counter comfortably. The sight of a waiting line suggests planning your visit close to last orders might assure quicker seating on weekdays. Their lunch menu is diverse, and I opted for the signature shumai meal for 1,050 yen. This set allows you to select 2 Japanese-style additional side dishes from 9 options such as cold tofu or avocado kimchi, making the ordering process engaging. Serving 6 substantial dumplings, the shumai meal is sure to satisfy. Whether you're dining alone or in a group, Dining Samushin ensures a comfortable experience. Next to this place is a sister store yakitori shop, further amplifying the lively atmosphere. Being popular even during dinner hours, Dining Samushin stands out as a casual yet satisfying dining option in Marunouchi. It's a versatile spot for both a quick lunch and a leisurely dinner. There's no way to come here if you are wondering which restaurant is better in Marunouchi or if you want to eat a luxury restaurant even Marunouchi. You won't be disappointed. Next, I came to SAWAMURA, which is near Tokyo Station. You'll find it on the 7th floor of the Shin-Marunouchi building, just a 3-minute walk from Tokyo Station. Whether you're directionally challenged or just in a rush, its central location makes it a top pick. Operating from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m., SAWAMURA is one of the most famous restaurants in Marunouchi area. Duck in after the business lunch rush, say around 3 p.m. on a weekday, and you'll find a serene setting away from the bustling crowds, making it a hidden gem right near the station. SAWAMURA originates from a bakery in Karuizawa and proudly carries forward its legacy. It offers an eclectic range of European dishes and bread. The spacious interior, complete with counter seats and tables, accommodates everyone, from solo diners to groups. The glass-walled, high-ceilinged establishment invites in a flood of natural light, creating an open, welcoming ambiance for a pleasurable dining experience. From lasagna and pasta to beef simmered in red wine for 2,600 yen or an Angus steak, the lunch menu offers various tantalizing choices. But, what sets Sawamura apart is its bread, made with mature yeast and unlimited refills. Enjoy 3 different types of bread brought to you right at the start. For this time, I chose the spicy roast chicken for 1,980 yen, served with marmalade and a voluminous salad. For 3,000 yen, you can indulge in the lunch course with seasonal dessert, drink, and a vibrant salad. The dinner ambiance is perfect for those seeking something upscale but casual. Head over to Sawamura in Marunouchi and experience the ultimate dining destination. The heart of Tokyo, in Marunouchi district, where the bustling cityscape meets the rustic charm of Spain at Bar Portillo de España. Nestled alongside Marunouchi Terrace, this restaurant authentically captures the essence of a traditional Spanish town. Open from 11:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. for lunch and 5 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. for dinner. Bar Portillo de España, which means small door in Spanish, is designed to bring a slice of Spain to Tokyo, giving you the feeling of the atmosphere of Spain. The restaurant boasts the official certification from the Spanish government, adding an extra layer of authenticity to its dishes. Featuring terrace seating, the restaurant allows diners to enjoy an open-air dining experience during warmer months. With a seating capacity of 70, the restaurant embodies the homey atmosphere of a typical Spanish bar. If you're planning to visit during peak hours or weekends, consider making a reservation on their website for a hassle-free dining experience. A highlight of the restaurant is its extensive selection of over 50 types of Spanish wines and cocktails, perfect for those eager to explore the flavors of Spanish beverages. If you're unsure about your choice of wine, don't hesitate to consult the in-house wine specialists for advice in this restaurant. The menu is a testament to its authenticity, featuring traditional dishes that make you question if you're really still in Tokyo. The restaurant is particularly known for its paella, offering over 20 varieties, some with innovative twists. During weekdays, they offer a paella lunch, where you can choose from 5 types of paella, complemented by salad, soup, and a small baguette, all for 2,000 yen. The portion sizes are just right, providing a satisfying meal. Visit here at 1:30 p.m., a relatively quieter period, to enjoy a leisurely dining experience. Remember, the restaurant closes after 2:30 p.m. before reopening for dinner. It's also a popular spot for businessmen who need to return to work soon after lunch. Dinner offers a course meal featuring diverse tapas, your choice of paella as the main course, and a bite-sized dessert to end the meal. Priced at 4,700 yen, you can also enjoy unlimited drinks for 2 hours for 6,300 yen. While in Tokyo, you might like to eat some traditional Japanese cuisine such as sushi or yakiniku. However, the city's food scene offers a wide array of international cuisines with the owner's obsession such as this restaurant. For those adventurous at heart, let's visit Bar Portillo de España for a taste of Spain in Tokyo. Finally, I would love to introduce Noodle House Laundry. Located in the area known as Kurabe Yokocho, just a stone's throw away from Tokyo Station's Yaesu North exit. Opening hour is from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Noodle House Laundry combines a palette of Asian noodle dishes, creative small plates, and a variety of 17 craft beers. It's an updated take on the traditional Japanese pub, which is an expansive space with a broad entrance and a beer tap-laden counter in the center. With a bright and sophisticated ambiance, it's a place where one can easily pop in alone, without feeling out of place. During lunchtime, which is from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., the eatery serves up noodle dishes alongside salad and rice. If you fancy a tipple at noon, Noodle House Laundry is welcoming for day drinking. For dinner, whether it's just a meal or you're looking to wind down with some alcohol, here is designed to accommodate everyone. With about 15 types of noodle dishes, including chicken pho at 950 yen, vegetable green curry udon, and beef pho at 1,150 yen etc. Our choice for today was the fried cow mangai lunch for 950 yen. The term cow mangai is Thai, translating to rice oil chicken. You can order steamed or fried variants, and with an extra 450 yen, you can add fried chicken, shrimp toast, or spring rolls. To top off the meal, a deliciously refreshing mango pudding dessert awaits you. As for drinks, their impressive roster of domestic craft beers, featuring brews from around the country, including Kyoto's Grape Blend and Kanagawa's Pineapple Ale and more. If beer isn't your thing, they also serve natural wines and fresh lemon sour and more. On your way out, why not grab a beer from their vending machine along the station corridor for your train ride hotel? So, when in Tokyo, Noodle House Laundry is an experience that shouldn't be missed. That's our tour of Marunouchi's finest lunch spots, nestled in the heart of Tokyo's bustling business district. We hope these selections add flavor to your journey. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Looking forward to seeing you on our next culinary adventure. Stay tuned.